Here it is, Warren, all finished with the new part. My little MP3 player down there playing. Out of the old speaker here. It's a good size one. Let's see if the tube lights up. Oh, you can see it, I should say. I see it down there. Well, obviously it's working. Yeah, you see you don't need the other tubes in there. That's just for the radio part. Here's the new socket down there.